अगर मेरा क्यों से छू
1920 London, a film that we are extremely proud of. Absolutely fabulously made film by Tinu Suresh Desai, the debutant director of this film, who's all busy right now, not here with us, shooting his next film with Mr. Akshay Kumar in London. उनका आखिरी schedule चल रहा है. But खैर Tinu ने कमाल का काम किया, so I thought I have to bring about Tinu in the picture. Unfortunately, towards the end of the promotions, I think he might be able to join us. And of course, a great story by Mr. Vikram Bhatt. Reliance has done a wonderful job in giving us the kind of platform and the kind of budgets to make this film the way it's looking. We are here this afternoon now to launch the first song of our film, Gumnaam, and for which we are very honored that Preetham has given us his time and he's given us this wonderful song which works beautifully for this film of us. We are going to show it to you all a little later. I'm sure all of you all will like it, and in the meantime I would like to call Preetham here and ask him to say a few words about the song and the entire concept of it. Please, Preetham.
Hello everybody. I always feel that kind of coming to this film industry and being here for nearly 12-13 years, and I always feel there's some blessings which works with me, because I every time I have been blessed with a lot of things. This new venture which was in my mind for a very long time, as musicians in the West, they do a lot. They incubate new talents and artists. This is my new venture which I am launching this time. I'm kind of working with new talents to produce songs for the film industry, and this I still haven't named it. We call it Jam, and that's the name. But मेरे साथ क्या होता है हमेशा name I can't decide what is the name, but we are still working on the name. But we call it Jam. That is just about music, and I feel blessed. Why I'm talking about feeling blessed? Because this, to start with a platform like this, with Sharman being here, I have worked with him in Ferrari and Mira, and working with Tinu. I have Tinu was an assistant with Abbas Mastan, and he's done such a brilliant film, and Reliance to get first. So I want to introduce Kaushik and Akash, who is a part of this company, who is the first talent we are introducing. Kaushik and Akash has done the music of Gumnaam and one more song. They're brilliant, new talents. You will be seeing a lot more new talents from my platform, my NR company. And please bless them. And I think they have done a fabulous job. And thank you, Reliance, for giving this lovely platform to showcase. Our country has so many new talents who does not get through to the film industry, and they need a portal. And I think I'm happy to act as a portal to all the new talents to come in the film industry. So we need your blessings. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Preetham. It was our pleasure to be working with you. It's turned out incredible. I would also request Mira to please join the team, and before we give it a go.
Good afternoon, everybody. 1920 London has been a great journey for all of us. I'm missing two people badly right now. One is Vikram and one is Tinu. They both have been the backbone of this film. Vikram has written a beautiful script, and Tinu, I think he's one of the most talented directors I've worked with. He's made a very good film. We all are very proud of it. We have worked really hard on it, and Sharman was a great co-star. Now, Reliance has to take it forward and make sure that everybody sees the film. I'm really excited for this song. I have not heard it yet. Preetham sir, I've been your fan, a huge fan. So he's composed for my movie. I'm really excited for it. So yeah. Your team. So yeah, let's hear the song.
Before hearing the song, is Zubin Nautal here? Antara is here. So, okay, once they come, I'll introduce the singers, Zubin Nautal. Kaushik and Akash, you want to say something?
Good afternoon, everybody. It's just that we are very happy to be a part of this company, and we are very thankful to Dada, first of all, because he has mentored us so well for this whole journey. For the past 4 months, we have been working on this song. The brief he gave us, we are really very happy, and we hope you guys like the song. And we are very grateful to our parents, to God, and everybody. So I just hope you guys like the song. That's it.
This song is a remake of the old Gumnaam Hai Koi. So they have added composition to it, which leads into Gumnaam Hai Koi. And this song has been sung by Zubin Nautal and Antara Mitra. Now Antara is here, but Zubin is not here. Yeah. So once they come, I'll call them also. Maybe meanwhile you can watch the song.
Take a look at the song,
Yeah.
please. So guys, the house is open for a Q&A. Please fire away. Sir, can you...
Okay, I want to introduce Zubin Nautal and Antara, who sang the song straight away. Q&A, any question and answer?
हम लोग मोबाइल लाइट इसलिए ऑन करते हैं ताकि पता लगा सके कि कहाँ पे कुछ शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ है, क्या हुआ है. एटलीस्ट मैं वो करता हूँ. और रही बात डरने की, वो अभी स्टैंडर्ड रूल तो है नहीं. किसी को डर लगता हो, किसी को ना लगता हो, कोई मानता हो, कोई ना मानता हो. कहानी में ये जो किरदार है वो एक्सरसाइज का पार्ट कर रहा है, तो इट इज हिज जॉब. ही इज अ प्रोफेशनल. भूतों से जाहिर सी बात है डरता नहीं है, एक्सरसाइस्ट है. उनको जो लोग पोजेस्ड है उनको वो मदद करता है, हेल्प करता है वो भूत उनके अंदर से बाहर निकालने में. लेकिन कहानी में बहुत सारे ऐसे किरदार हैं जो ऑब्वियसली उस भूत और उस स्पिरिट से परेशान है, एंड दैट कम्स अक्रॉस. नहीं, इतना कुछ प्रिपेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी एक्चुअली, ऑनेस्टली. दो आई एम प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ एन एक्सरसिस्ट, इतना टेक्निकल उसका नॉलेज या नो हाउ होना इतना जरूरी नहीं था इस किरदार को निभाने के लिए. तो आई वेंट विद द स्क्रिप्ट व्हिच वाज माय गाइडिंग फोर्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स टीनू, द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, उसके जहन में जैसा था किरदार उस हिसाब से मैंने एज क्लोज एज पॉसिबल आई ट्राई टू पोर्ट्रे दैट. बट I personally have not had any experiences, but I do believe in spirits and I do believe in ghosts, because I believe in energies, and theatre mein we create energies ऐसे ही while we are performing, or any creative person in their respective fields in that room wherever they are creating music. Let's say for instance Rhythm is एक energy जो create हो जाती है which is not really in our control, and that comes I think it's quite magical, and that I can, because of that I can also relate to the presence of spirits and ghosts. So I've not had an encounter, but I would assume because I'm at peace with that, of course I will be taken aback. I don't know how scared I'll be. So that till I experience, I couldn't be able to tell you. Yeah. This is the part 3. 1920, the second part also did very well. It was very well accepted. And we hope that 1920 London, the third part of the series, the franchise, receives the kind of reception that the earlier two parts got. We are very confident and we are feeling very good about the film. And in my opinion, in terms of production only, not to disrespect the earlier makers, but this film is, in terms of production, we've taken it to the next level for sure. This is a much fancier, prettier looking film, and with a great story. And it's independent of the first two films. But I think just by its own individual strength, it's a film that's going to make an impact. Yeah. ट्रेलर लॉन्च, यू मिस द ट्रेलर लॉन्च. हमने किया था वो रिलायंस ने अपनी अंधेरी ऑफिस में ही किया था, इसलिए शायद सबको नहीं बुला पाए. Gumnam is for me like an all-time, and for all of us, I think, one of those immediately associated with a spirit, a ghost kind of a film, and it's a legendary song. It fits befitting for the film, the theme. The film is all about that. So, इससे better fit नहीं मिल सकता था, and the kind of composition, the remix that these guys have done is really interesting, and I find it very exciting. And it's a kind of song which will grow over you, and it's going very well with the shots that we are in the film. That's how I feel.
How challenging was to recreate that? These guys will answer.
It was very challenging, of course, but we had an idea in our mind, and when we conveyed that to the director and the producer, and they approved of it to both of us, then we got the go ahead ki theek hai, you can do something like this, you can go ahead with this. So we tried, we permutated, we combinated, and then a match came up, which was, it has the modern era spookiness as well as it can connect to the old song Gumnam. So I think that's how it fits. Yeah. Of course, there's a pressure. Of course, there's a pressure. But the only thing is how you can handle the pressure. I hope we handled. I hope this song makes a mark. We are all praying for that. You guys also pray. So that's all I can say. Yeah.
जी बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्चुअली. तो सबसे पहले तो लोकेशन दैट वी शॉट इट, इंग्लैंड में गए थे हम लोग, लंदन और लीड्स में इसकी शूटिंग हुई है. इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल द शूट. वी हैड ग्रेट वेदर, ग्रेट लोकेशंस. यू नो, इंग्लैंड कहीं पे भी यू सेट द कैमरा, इट लुक्स गॉर्जियस. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट that off the camera times was also wonderful because of the weather. Meera is great company to have, and Tinu is a wonderful director to work with. And we were working on something which was very interesting in terms of material. So we were very all excited, and बहुत मजा है. ये फिल्म कब इतनी आसानी से बन गई in terms of the speed at which we shot, and it didn't feel heavy at all. And then of course we've had a schedule in Gujarat and also in Bombay. और I think एक बार if you're working with a director who is very exciting, जो खुद on his toes रहता है, and someone who's constantly thinking and constantly challenging you as an actor, तो वो पूरी जर्नी बहुत मजेदार हो जाती है. और इसका क्रेडिट आई थिंक तीनों को ही जाना चाहिए. I feel horror, supernatural thriller especially, actually, as it is, it's a director's medium, but खास करके इस genre में writer और director के बगैर बात ही नहीं बन सकती है. And the sound thereafter. These are three elements which are extremely important. Actors get a little limited, but thankfully for us there was a bit of a challenge in this one because the story is also extremely meaty, and as actors we've got great parts to kind of show various emotions. But by the genre, the way the genre is, I think the director, the writing, the sound, these are all extremely important. I mean, they come in the top three requirements of a good supernatural. Yeah.
Gang of Ghosts, just by the title, it was horror, but it was a comedy film. But 1920 मैंने Gang of Ghosts से पहले sign करी थी, और this was the script I could not say no to because I have a very good role. It's a very well written script. ऐसा नहीं है कि horror movies ही करना पसंद है, but horror is one of my favorite genres. So मैं सारी horror movies देखती हूँ, English या हिंदी. So जब मुझे ये offer हुई थी, there was no possibility to say no. I was very happy to be a part of it.
Ragini MMS is not the right comparison. This is Ragini MMS is a different kind of film. अच्छी film थी वो. 1920 से compare होगा. It's a part of the franchise. उसने ये franchise because इतनी successful रही है, अब जाहिर सी बात है, it already has a goodwill and it already has a loyal audience going for it. Definitely first two parts से उसकी comparisons होगी. मैंने already कह दिया मेरे opinion से, और आप भी देख लेंगे, compare करेगा कोई भी practical बंदा कहेगा. Production value में you can't beat this one, at least as of now. The story we all believe is a great one. We all think it's translated brilliantly on screen. Abhi, finally, now you all have to watch it and decide for yourselves. मतलब आपको मुझसे क्यों डर लगा ऐसे? मेरी दाढ़ी की वजह से? इसलिए मैं दाढ़ी कटा के आया हूं आज. वीडियो में मैं डरा नहीं रहा था, रो रहा था बेचारा, परेशान था. नहीं, ऑफसेट में बहुत डराता था लोगों को, ऑन सेट नहीं. हाँ बिल्कुल, घर पे भी सबको, अपनी बीवी बच्चों सबको डराता था मैं.
स्पेशली मेरा पार्ट जो है वो लता जी का गाया हुआ पहले वाला पार्ट के साथ सेम है. जुबीन्स वन इज अ फ्रेश कॉम्पोजिशन. एक डेफिनेटली देयर इज ऑलवेज देयर इज अ दैट आई डेयर टू सिंग दिस पोर्शन, और मैं बहुत ही घबराई हुई थी, पर आवर कंपोजर फ्रेंड्स दे मेड इट सो इजी. They said that you sing it the way you want to conceive these lines. And लता जी के जो ओरिजिनल कंपोजिशन है, लता जी ने जो गाया है, उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए थोड़ा सा ये जो नयापन है इस गाने में उसको भी ध्यान में रखते हुए एक मॉडर्न टच देने का कोशिश है. बट ये जुबिन्स पार्ट इज वेरी मोर डोमिनेंट. आई गेस आई वांट हिम टू से समथिंग ऑन दिस.
When I heard the song for the first time, मतलब मैं कौशिक और आकाश को, उनके साथ मैं काफ़ी काम कर चुका हूँ पहले, साथ में हमने काफ़ी काम करा है. तो उन्होंने जब पहली बार मुझे गाना सुनाया, इट वॉज अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग सॉन्ग फॉर मी. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग सॉन्ग बिकॉज वी वर गोइंग ऑल ओवर. वी सिंग लो नोट्स एंड वी सिंग हाई नोट्स एंड वी आर ऑल ओवर द प्लेस, यू नो. सो जब मैंने गाना पहली बार सुना, मुझको एक अच्छा गाना जब आप सुनते हैं तो आपको पता लग जाता है कि ये गाना है, इसमें मतलब इसे बहुत मजा आएगा गाना गाने में. सो वो उस तरह से हमने एक टीम वर्क करके इसमें मेहनत करी और काम करा और काफ़ी मेहनत करी. आई मीन सो दीज गाइज आर द अपकमिंग, दे आर द डील एंड दे हैव अमेजिंग म्यूजिक. यू गाइज शुड बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड दे आर द न्यू किड्स इन द ब्लॉक. वॉच आउट.
मैं आपको एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि ये आप जो है, you have been friends to me with me and we have interacted in many media sessions. ये आज इनका दिन है और आज एक्चुअली एक मुझे लगता है इंडियन म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक नया स्टेप है, बेबी स्टेप है. क्योंकि वेस्ट में हैंस जिमर, पफ डैडी, डॉक्टर ड्रे, एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन लेबल, और उधर से बहुत सारे अच्छे म्यूजिशियन जो अभी बहुत, हैंस जिमर का तो ऑलरेडी 3-4 लोग जो बहुत नाम कर चुके हैं, ऐसा जो रिमोट कंट्रोल है हैंस जिमर का. तो इधर जैसे आप ऐसे कंपेयर कीजिए, जैसे आदित्य चोपड़ा जब यशराज फिल्म स्टार्ट किया और मनीष शर्मा, कबीर खान, अली जफर सबको लॉन्च किया, या धर्मा में जब सबको लॉन्च किया, ऐसा एक बेबी स्टेप टुवर्ड्स अ रेवोल्यूशन इन हिंदी फिल्म म्यूजिक ये नहीं हुआ है पहले. ये आज so please support us and please support these boys and support everybody. There will be lot of new talents. We have so many new talents in our country and everybody just waiting to get a break, and here we are trying something. Thank you very much for being with us. Question kiya tha, sorry. Sorry, I got emotional and
Let's do it. Come, Zubin, come.
Go.